Hello and welcome. Let's edit your template step by step. First, zoom in for a better editing view. To edit the text, click on the blue rectangles. Then double-click the text to select it. And type in your own wording. To edit the photos, click on Uploads and upload your images from your device. Drag and drop your photo directly on top of the existing image to replace it. To use the same photo on another page, duplicate the image, then click and hold it while dragging it to the next page. When the page highlights in blue, that means the image has been moved successfully. You can then rotate and adjust the size as needed. Add your other photos throughout the template. To add your favorite song, click on Uploads and upload your audio file. Then drag and drop it onto the existing audio track. Once you are done editing, preview your template to make sure everything looks perfect. When you're happy with your design, click Share, select Download, and save your video as an MP4 file. If you would like to delete or add a page, simply right-click on the page. From there, you can choose to duplicate, add, or delete pages. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy creating your beautiful template.